in this particular video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to connect and set up your Teyun Q22 sound card interface to your recording software. So first of all, this is basically one of those sound cards in the internet that a lot of persons are buying, and sometimes they find it very difficult to actually connect this sound card. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to do so. So first of all, you can see the sound card. This sound card has two inputs, and also you can see that it has the microphone and also instrument input. So this is the first volume for the first input and the second volume for the second input. So it has phone out at the front, then phone knob, volume knob, and also the main volume. Then if you look at the back, you'll see that it has a 5 volts power source. So this is your USB power source to your laptop. And also this is a switch right here to switch in different cord that you have. We also have a USB-C type, a USB type power source as well. Then if you want to use this USB-C type, then you switch this switch to the right. Then if you want to use this USB port, then you switch it here. So we also have the phantom powers at the back that is powering 48 volt for your digital microphone. And if you bring it out, it's off. When you push it in, then you put on your phantom power. We also have the stereo sound controller. Here is the button. When you push it in, it will activate in mono, and when you push it out, also in stereo. So here we also have for your headphone direct. This is the button that controls for your PC and also direct monitor. So when you put it in, it goes direct to your output from your monitor speakers. Then when you push the knob out, direct to your PC. So same to your microphone as well. Push it, switch it out, direct to your PC, and when you push it in, then direct to microphone. So you also have two left and right audio main output to your monitor speaker. So from here, I'm going to be showing you how to connect them step by step. So guys, the USB from the Teyun interface has been connected to my laptop, as you can see right here. As you can see, the interface is powered on. Also, the phantom power is also powered on. I'll just go right there and put off the phantom power. And here is the button. I'll just put it off. So as you can see, the sound card is powered on already. Then this particular sound card does not have a standard dedicated driver. So it has an auto-installed driver from the box to the computer. So the moment you plug it, it's going to show directly in your interface, in your software. So right here, I'm having Cubase 5, and I'm going to connect it straight. Show you step by step on how to connect it straight to Cubase 5. So to connect the Teyun Q22 to your Cubase or your recording software, so the first thing you need to do is to come right here, go to your devices. Then when you get to your devices, you come down here. Then you switch to your device setup. Then you click your device setup. After clicking your device setup, then you go to here, you come here, you see ASIO for all. So very really, when you get to this place, you will not see the driver of the sound card because it uses the ASIO driver to connect. If you have FL Studio installed in your laptop, definitely you're going to be seeing this driver. But if you don't have, you have to download this ASIO for all driver from the internet and install in your computer. What do? You have to download the ASIO for all driver. Now you're going to choose ASIO for all driver. So now we have assigned the ASIO for all driver. So using the ASIO for all driver, you're going to use this ASIO for all driver to connect to the sound card. And the name you're going to find in the sound card right here, you're going to see HD. The name of the sound card is HD1 and 2. That's exactly what you're going to see. That is the driver name, the input name. So we're going to click ASIO for all driver. Then after clicking ASIO for all driver, then you go to control panel. So once you get to control panel right here, Then what you're going to do next is to switch this one off. Just switch next to this. And it's going to be activated as HD2. So the driver installed from the Teyun Q22 is HD2. Then the moment you assign it to HD2 through your ASIO for all driver, then you close up this. Then you close up this. So the next thing you're going to do is to check in for your input connectors connection to your Cubase software. So you go to device setting, you go to VST connection, and when you get to VST connection, you can see. So you go to input. So input right here, you can see it's not connected, no audio device connected. So what you need to do is to click this place. You see the HD2 one is here. Then you assign. Then you click the second one. Second input you assign. Then the next thing too, you go to output. Then you see output is not connected. Then you connect it. Go to HD21. HD22, right? As you can see, then your interface, your sound card is ready to use. All you simply need to do is to click out, and let's see how the input works. So after connecting your microphone to the input, as you can see, my microphone is well connected. So then you're going to put on the phantom power. So you're going to go to the back right here and see the phantom power 48 volts right there. So you click it. So I'm going to put the phantom power on, right? So the phantom power has come on. Then I'm going to give it a little bit volume. Then I'm going to speak into the microphone. Hello, she. She, right? So you can see the indicator that says the input signal from the microphone is getting in. So we're going to connect it direct to the laptop, right? So as you can see, my signal is coming into Cubase. So you can see the meter right there. So to be able to get enough signal, you're going to ensure that you're going to put up the gain. So this is your volume gain. This particular one right here, you're going to put it up a little bit. And when you put it up, you're going to start getting the signal. You can see the signal coming in. As you can see, as I'm talking, the signal is coming in, which simply means that the sound card is already supplying signal to your recording software. So we're going to do some recording for you to see how it functions. So the first thing you're going to do, so I'm going to solo this channel that I have right here. I'm going to solo it, and I will click my red button down. Then I'll go right there, and I'll click record. Yeah. What's up? What to do? Yeah. What's up? So guys, you can see it's actually recording into my software. Yeah, what's up? What to do? What's up? So I'm actually talking direct into the microphone. So let me zoom it out a little bit. What's up? What to do? What's up? So guys, this is exactly how to connect your Teyun Q22 interface into your Cubase recording software. So do well to subscribe to this channel, and also do well to watch this video step by step so you don't make mistake, and learn how to connect these interface to your software.